Thousands of Austin homeowners have signed a petition against their HOA's new political sign policy. They're concerned about not being able to express views on social justice issues. KXAN Politics reporter John Engel finds out how far a homeowners association can legally go to limit your speech in Texas.
I think the HOA getting involved is probably just going to cause more headaches than anything.
There's a no sign policy at Bauerle Ranch in southwest Austin, with the exception of one political campaign sign per home up to 90 days before an election, which is in line with Texas election code. But a petition from homeowners criticizes the HOA for requiring approval of any other kind of sign, like ones supporting social justice causes, like the Black Lives Matter movement. Violating the policy could lead to up to $200 in fines.
There are certain communities here in the state of Texas and nationwide that are bound by deed restrictions. So when an owner buys into the community, they buy with the understanding that there are certain things they can and cannot do.
Legal experts say the law is on the HOA's side when it comes to what signs and causes you can put in your yard.
Freedom of speech limits what the city, the county, the state, the federal government can do to limit your speech. Freedom of speech does not limit what the HOA can tell you you can and cannot say.
The Bauerle Ranch HOA has an application process for signs that aren't campaign related and said that the policy is meant to block crude or inappropriate signs. One resident telling us people should have the freedom to express themselves.
That's a great thing about our country. People can support whoever they want, and if you're offended by who they support, then I guess that's your right too.
John Engel, KXAN News.
The Bauerle Ranch Homeowners Association recently rejected a policy proposal that would have allowed each homeowner to have one yard sign in their yard year-round.